Massey Ferguson 265. My buddy has this tractor. This isn't my tractor. It's so it's a good old tractor. This came from Beattyville. My buddy of mine bought it. So the part that it needs, so when you gotta start this thing up, with this here, the fluid spurts out everywhere, and yeah. So I think this is a 5-speed, gear shift, and then your high and low range, I think. And then there's your kill switch, right there's your key. Yeah, it's Massey Ferguson 265. My buddy who has this tractor, he told me that the guy that he bought it from, he said that I think the guy who used to have his tractor told my buddy that he had this ever since his grandpa used to have it before he I think the seller I think the seller's grandpa had this, and I think the guy bought it whenever his grandfather passed away. So his grandfather had this before his grandfather passed away. So I'll climb up here. This tractor, it's a good old tractor. It's got there's your hour meter. So right there's your hour meter. 3,947 hours on it. Your lights, which those don't work. I installed this straight pipe. It's a good run little tractor. Right down here. Down here's your clutch. Got your clutch. Clutches. Your clutch is right here. Got your burr. You got your burr. Got some brakes here. Right here's your throttle. Here's your the control lever for the 3. I don't know if that's what the thing this here is for your 3-point. Then down here you got the PTO, hydraulics. You gotta be careful with hydraulics because they'll get all over you. Wet lines, drawbar. I put the top link on. No, the top link was already on there. No, I actually put the top link on there. Here's Massey Ferguson. It says I don't know if you can tell, but this tractor's got power steering. And, cap, radiator cap, tires. Right there's loader mounts. Golf cart. This tractor, we had this muffler for a spare. Make sure that's covered up. So I'm gonna go in here. Real quick and show you the pipe that he put on it. So here's the pipe they put on it. And so he had this tractor in the barn where his John Deere is sitting. I'm going to make a video on this. So what he did was he pulled the John Deere out. It was right over there. Then he pulled the loader off the Massey and the bush hog, and he pulled it back in there. But there's right there, I don't know if you could see it, but right there is the 6-foot county line bush hog. There's the Challenger MT297. I'm gonna remake a video on this. But yeah, the loader. I'm also going to go back and show you the loader. So I'm going to get on here and show you the loader real quick. I'm usually filming all this stuff when I'm not driving. That's what I do. This is what I do to make a living. So right here, beside these old Coca trailers, this is a loader that comes with a tractor. It's a Bush Hog brand loader. Bush Hog brand. 100 QT loader. And yeah, so I'm gonna do another walk around of the exterior of the tractor. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that tractor up, and he's probably going to try to plan on selling it. But I don't think he should sell it, but he might plan on he might probably start selling it, but he's going to keep the John Deere. He's going to keep his Challenger and his John Deere around. But, yeah, so this is it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that piece. We're going to get a new grill. We're going to get a new grill for her. But yeah, there it is. But hey, there it is. All right. So if y'all like this video, don't forget to go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure hit thumbs up, the notification bell for more. Subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you have one of these, and just to let you know, if you have one of these, then make a video. If you don't care, make a video of it. If you're a YouTuber, and if you have one of these, and if you don't care, just make a video. Make a video of it. I want to make a video of it. I want to see what others have and more. So we're going to do a bit more whenever we get this thing going. I'm going to do a driving video on soon. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And have a good one. And be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.